Bike racks and stands are essential for cyclists who need a safe and secure place to store their bikes. There are many products available to choose bike racks and stands, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bike racks and stands from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. R80 Cycle Mighty Rack 2 Bike Floor Stand. The R80 Cycle Mighty Rack 2 Bike Floor Stand is a heavy-duty, versatile bike rack that can store 2 bikes with ease. It is constructed with tubular steel and has a glossy black powder-coated finish to protect it from the elements. It is so simple to use that even children can do it without assistance. Customers have praised its sturdiness and ease of use, although some have noted that the assembly instructions are not very clear and the included tool is not sufficient. Number 2. Cycling Deal Upright Bike Stand Floor. Cycling Deal Bike Stand is the perfect solution for storing your bikes neatly and saving floor space. With its unique two-way parking design, you can park your bike vertically or horizontally, allowing for more room in your garage or home. The stand is compatible with a wide range of bikes, from 24-inch wheel-size kids' bikes to 29, adults' MTBs and 700cc road bikes. It features a stable and secure design, with adjustable rollers and hooks that firmly hold your bike in place without any wobble. The patented award-winning rack protects your bike from scratches and damage, while the high-quality steel construction ensures durability. Number 3. Bike Nook Bike Stand and Vertical Storage Rack. The Bike Nook Bicycle Stand is a space-saving, adjustable rack that is perfect for indoor bike storage. It is made of alloy steel and is easy to assemble and use. It prevents bikes from damaging walls, ceilings, and cars, and is adjustable to various heights for bikes with an 18-inch wheel size or bigger. The stand also comes with a front tire Velcro strip to lock your front tire and prevent your handlebars from turning. Number 4. Bike Hanger Overhead Hoist Pulley System. The R80 Sports Bicycle Hoist 2-pack allows you to lift heavy products, up to 100 pounds, freeing up valuable space in your garage or storage area. With rubber-coated hooks, your bike is protected from scratches, and a safe locking mechanism prevents accidental release. Installation is a breeze. Mount to your ceiling joist or rafter with minimal tools required. Perfect for indoor use with ceilings up to 12 feet high, this is the original R80 bike hoist you've heard about that doesn't cut corners. Number 5. R80 Cycle Easy Connect Foldable Bike Rack. The R80 Cycle Bike Stand is designed to accommodate a wide range of bicycles, from road bikes to mountain bikes with varying tire sizes. Its durable steel construction features a powder-coated finish, ensuring it withstands years of use while maintaining its appearance. This stand is gentle on your bike, holding it securely without making contact with the paint or rims, preventing any potential damage. Additionally, the rubber feet protect your flooring and keep the stand stable so you won't have to worry about it slipping during use.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.